In the monsoon month of July, Mumbai was, as always, engulfed in a relentless downpour. Seeking a respite from the chaos, my friends and I set off for Urali Kanchan. Its gentle drizzles and refreshing, salubrious weather offered a much needed reprieve. The wet grass and oxygen rich air invigorated us instantly. As we wandered, we came across an expansive paddy field where a large, noisy well caught our attention. Curious about the commotion, we approached and, to our astonishment, discovered the source of a ruckus. Inside the well, on small branches sprouting from its inner walls, were scores of baya weaver birds, each engrossed in the delicate art of nest making. The sight was mesmerizing. Tiny avian architects weaving leaves, hay, and the grass with remarkable precision, each blade clutched expertly in their beaks. Baya weaver bird nests are marvels of nature. It is the industrious male who takes on the responsibility of nest building, a labor of love spanning 14 to 17 days. The chosen location is strategic, lush and abundant with grains, worms, and ants, often among thorny shrubs for added protection. Above all, the spot must be free from predators like snakes and hunter birds. A determined little hero makes up to 500 to 600 trips to gather twigs, grass, and the cotton. His craftsmanship involves creating 14 to 18 distinct knots using soft materials to ensure the nest stability. Unlike typical bowl shaped nest, a Bayaviva's creation is elongated and godlike with an inflated middle and narrow tubular ends. The downward facing entrance deters predators, and some nests even feature extended tubes to enhance security. Inside the nests are lined with soft feathers and cotton for warmth, and a final coat of sticky mud and slime cements the structure, ensuring resilience against strong winds. Once the nest is complete, the male moves on, leaving the female to incubate the eggs and care for the fledglings. The nest, however, endures, a testament to the intricate craftsmanship and care poured into its creation. It always gracefully in the wind, a safe haven for the young, embodying the strength of a mother's love and sanctuary of warm home. Such is the extraordinary life of Baya Weaver Bird, a story of dedication, artistry, and the unyielding bond of nature's nurturing instincts. The fascination with Baya Weaver nest building had always lingered in my mind, compelling me to seek opportunities to capture this incredible phenomena. After a few years of waiting, I finally had the chance to photograph a Baya Weaver nesting sequence in Bhikwan, a birding paradise teeming with both waterfowl and passerine species.